Hey guys, welcome back to Rappi Sam Steel. Today, we're comparing two cameras that honestly still look beautiful even here in 2026. On this side, we have the Fujifilm X-T10 with the XF23, f2, and XF 50mm lens. And on this side, we have the Olympus E-M10 Mark II paired with the Lumix 25 f1.7 and Sigma 56 f1.4. Both cameras are older mirrorless cameras, both have a retro film camera look, and both are very popular for street photography and everyday shooting. But the big question is, which one actually feels better to use in 2026? Let's talk about it. First, let's talk about the design because honestly, this is one of the biggest reason people still buy these cameras today. The Fujifilm X-T10 looks very premium, especially in silver. The dials, the shape, the silver lenses, even the square lens hood. It gives strong Leica vibes. This camera really feels like a classic film camera. Now, the Olympus E-M10 Mark II is also looks beautiful, but in a different way. The Olympus feels more compact, more modern retro, and honestly more comfortable in the hand. The grip is better, the body feels balanced, and it's easier for everyday carry. So visually, I think the Fujifilm wins the aesthetic battle. But ergonomics, the Olympus is actually really good. Now for the lens comparison, the Fujifilm setup with the XF23 f2 is perfect for street photography, travel, coffee shop vibes, cinematic everyday moments. The 50mm lens gives you cleaner portrait and compression shots. Meanwhile, on the Olympus side, the Lumix 25 f1.7 is one of the best budget lenses ever made for micro four thirds. Small, lightweight, sharp, and super affordable. But once you put in the Sigma 56 f1.4 on this camera, wow, the background blur become crazy. It suddenly looks way more cinematic. Now, this is where things become interesting. The Fujifilm experience feels emotional. The shutter sound, the dials, the colors, and the whole shooting experience feels artistic. You want to go outside and take photos, but on the Olympus feels faster and easier. Menus are simple, grip is better, stabilization is better, and honestly, it feels more practical for everyday shooting. Now, in terms of image quality, Fujifilm definitely has the famous Fuji color science. Straight up to camera, JPEG looks amazing. Skin tones, film simulation, and colors just look beautiful immediately. But the Olympus is surprisingly good too, especially for street photography and portraits. And honestly, once edited properly, both cameras are still produce very professional looking photos. So, which one would you choose? If you care about aesthetic, film camera vibes, Fuji colors, emotional shooting experience, the Fujifilm X-T10 is honestly still special in 2026. But if you want better comfort, better stabilization, easier handling, smaller lightweight setup, then the Olympus E-M10 Mark II is super underrated. So guys, which one would you pick? The retro Fujifilm look or the underrated Olympus setup? Comment below because honestly both cameras still have so much charm even 2026. And if you're into honest camera reviews and retro gear and real-world photography tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. This is Rafi Sam Still and I'll see you in the next vlog.